Um, um, I'm a, sol- I'm a solution architect. I'm working for the state client as a solution
Okay.
architect. My background is so SQL, PLSQL, Linux, shell scripting, Python, Oracle. Yeah.
Any particular need for this Filenet administration?
No, this one, my current project is a Microsoft Dynamics, right?
Okay.
So Microsoft Dynamics, they're integrating with the IBM ECM FileNet for the documentation, storage, and maintenance because it's a state client, so they want to keep and maintain the document in secure place, and also the document has to be uh, scalable and accessible quickly in
Okay.
secure manner. So that's the reason they're asking us to integrate the ECM FileNet only for the
Yeah,
documentation.
that's a good idea. So, what are the components? Did they
But
give any?
front end we are using Microsoft Dynamics. Yeah.
Okay. So, you want to migrate from this to Microsoft to Filenet.
No, currently the documentation maintained in the database itself because Microsoft
Okay.
inbuilt the database called database
You
DDS.
want to set up the new environment with Filenet. Huh?
Yes, they want to move all the documentation into the FileNet. Yeah.
Okay. So, you need to clear understanding of how to install and configure these all Filenet components, right?
Yeah, FileNet component, how we need to create the metadata and how the documentation has to be stored and how the documentation has to be retrieved and what are the
Okay.
permissions and how this security need to be enabled.
Okay.
Those things.
So I will give you an overview on it. Actually, you know already how the document storage will work and how they retrieve in the
Yeah,
video,
yeah, yeah. The
right?
SharePoint. Yeah,
Yeah,
SharePoint.
SharePoint. You know. So in the
Mm.
same way, like Filenet also is one of the components from the IBM, which is
Mm.
using from the last 15 to 20 years in the market, especially for the insurance companies and banking and hospitalities.
Mm.
It's a completely licensed product. With this license, we can get IBM Filenet content platform engine which has
Yeah.
document storage and workflow system both.
Mm. Mm.
Latest version is 5.7 is in the market, and
Mm-hmm.
it's a recent one only. And on top of that, we will use the web client as a content navigator. Content navigator is integrated with Filenet by doing some configurations. This is the front end layer which is used by the end customer to extract documents or import documents or download or insert the documents. So
Okay.
it's a pure formal, and on top of that, based on the customer need, it has a customization from the Filenet APIs. This is Filenet API
Mm.
internally is a Java, core Java API.
Okay.
Okay. So till for Filenet configuration, I will share the complete knowledge on how to installation configure and how to connect the Filenet and how to create the object stores and
Mm.
object store is known as the one of the key point that we will store the documents in that metadata.
Okay.
So to
Mm.
this object store, we will map the file storage or fixed content device, NAS, sorts, and anything, whatever is customer requirement and whatever the customer is available, so that we will map to this. And the metadata will be stored in the database. In the FileNet, we will use default database will be DB2 will come with this software. Along
Mm.
with that, people for secure purpose go with the Oracle also. But
So by default, database will be a DB2.
DB2, when we purchase the license, we will get the
Okay.
FileNet product called FileNet and Content Navigator web application and WebSphere as a web application. And DB2 is the default coming with the license.
Oh, okay. Mm.
And on top of that, we'll go with the Oracle. Sometimes some people will go with that, but MS
Mm.
SQL also will support if you are going the lower cost. Okay, and
But say the DB2, it will be come with the FileNet as a package. For
yeah,
metadata, we need to use a separate another database, right?
no need, no need, no need. We can go with the DB2 itself. Especially
Okay.
some customers are recommended to go with the Oracle because some security purposes. But
Security purpose.
generally, people will the new customer will go with this DB2 only.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
along with that, web application, as I said, content navigator also will be there. For the
Mm-hmm.
customization, like if you want customer input page, for example, if you are working for the bank, you need to insert some metadata using the front end page, right? Like name, some card details, or a date of birth, place of birth.
Mm-hmm.
This all these need to be entered, right? This
Mm-hmm.
customization can be done in the ICN Dojo. Dojo, any idea? Have you heard about the Dojo?
No.
Yeah, this ICN platform APIs, this separate development team will be there for this customization. Through this
Okay, don't do.
customization, yeah, Dojo.
Okay.
ICN, you can call it as ICN developers,
ICN.
ICN, Content Navigator developers. Okay, till this one kind of FileNet and Navigator are integrated with both of them. On top of that, if you want to go in previous days, Case Manager will be there. Case Manager
Mm,
is like creating for cases and handling workflow system. These all will be maintained by the Case Manager. Now, Case Manager also deprecated. Now, people are using BIW, Business
mm,
Process Automation. So this is
mm.
nowadays most of the people using with the new environment, or if the people are already using the Case Manager, they are migrating.
Mhm. Okay.
But complete metadata will be handled by the FileNet, and physical storage also document managed by the FileNet itself. We have a administrator tool in the ACC. There you can create document class object stores. Within the
Object.
FileNet has a main content called object store. Like example, if you're handling one finance team, you will create one
Mm,
object store within that. In the object store, you can have the hierarchy security, or default security will be there. That default security will be applied to the lower level hierarchy. Like within the object store, you can have the properties template. Property templates, nothing but properties, whatever you are creating custom properties. Okay,
mm,
and every
mm.
document is handled with the single unique ID. That's called GUID. You know, right? GUID.
GOD.
Yeah, that every single document when you add it, it will add it the GUID to the document, and it will store in the database. And the same way here in the versioning also happening. If you're updating multiple times, it will have the versioning of multiple times of in the document versioning. That is the main advantage of FileNet, maintaining the versioning in the document. You cannot get this in the SharePoint.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah. Mhm. Anything else?
No, my
Huh.
question is, I'm new to the FileNet. Okay.
Okay.
I want to integrate the FileNet into my current applications. For that, first I need to know the FileNet content manager and then content navigator and the how the metadata to be created in this. So
Mm.
there are three uh, layer, right? It's a multi-layer or
It's
what
a
exactly?
multi-type. Hey, can you speak loudly, please, or else keep your mic nearby more?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's clear now.
No, it's a multi-tier. For example, the GUI, the end user, so login in any application. For example,
Yeah,
my
yeah,
case is
yeah.
it's a Microsoft Dynamics. So they're
Okay,
logging in and they through API they'll connect to the FileNet, right?
right,
After FileNet, the FileNet will uh, uh, pass the information through API to the content store, right?
right.
File store or content store.
File that file storage will completely handled by the FileNet. FileNet itself has a web client called Navigator. Whatever we are trying to integrate at all the external components, that we will connect with the Navigator content.
Okay. No, for myself, see, instead of going to the general thing, myself, what I need it,
Hmm.
I need to configure FileNet through Microsoft Dynamics, and the API, I have a API team. The
Okay,
API from Microsoft Dynamics to connect to the FileNet, the API, I have a team. Okay.
okay, okay,
I want to know that the FileNet, what are the configuration need to do that to store and retrieve my documents.
okay. So
That,
yes, you said that there is a third-party tool will be there that will be connected to the FileNet using the
not
REST.
third party tool, it's a Microsoft tool, which is my,
Microsoft,
my,
yeah,
my
whatever it
primary
is,
tool is
Microsoft.
Microsoft Dynamics. Yeah.
that will connect to the Filenet APIs using the Filenet web server URL. Okay,
Correct.
and with
Mm,
that Filenet credentials, it will connect to the Microsoft servers. Then from there, whatever the configurations you are doing, like what object store you are selecting, and what properties you want to update, and
mm.
what metadata need to be updated from the
No,
Microsoft side.
what
It
about
will
your
all.
background? Are you full-fledged Filenet developer, or
I'm
what
into
is
the
your
Filenet administrating from the last 14 years.
Filenet administrator?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will set up the complete environment and I will migrate the older version to my newer version. The recent project I'm working with the case manager to BAW migration from the last 1 year. I'm
No, no.
ready.
See, for example, there is one client is coming to you. All my document in the Oracle database.
Hmm,
I want to move all the documentation to the Filenet.
hmm.
Have you
Oracle,
worked on this
yeah,
scenario?
Oracle database. So first of all, we will take the Oracle database as a backup and connect to the DB2 first of all.
Mm,
Then
mm,
set up our Filenet environment. Then we
mm,
will connect to the database using the data sources.
mhm.
Then we will retrieve this all the information, whatever is there. When we connect with the database with the Filenet, it will retrieve all the information in the Filenet.
Okay.
Then we can manage the things, whatever we need to do, anything changes, property creation, everything will be retrieved here.
Mhm. No, in the FileNet, there is a different stream, right? FileNet developer and FileNet.
Yeah, that's what I'm into the pure administration. If you're purely looking for, in case I'm expecting that your complete knowledge on the development side, if I'm not wrong.
I'm from the development side only, but just wanted to know this FileNet configuration and FileNet setup.
I will help on it. I will help on it. Complete
So,
Filenet setup.
with your training, can I plan for the
Yeah.
certification?
With my training, you can completely know that how the Filenet will install and configured, and how it will going to connect to the database, how it going to connect with the content navigator. Everything
Mm-hmm.
here, I will give you some complete end-to-end picture with adding a document and retrieving a document from ACE and from the navigator. Everything I will show
Okay.
you in this training.
Okay. No, with
Every
your
person.
training, can I plan for the certification also?
Certification part, it's around $150. It will be charged, but up to your knowledge, it will be. It's not that much easy to crack the exam with the single training. You need multiple no, installation trainings and core concept of
Okay.
Filenet, all those things. But installation
Mm-hmm.
and configuration, you can do it based on your experience. You can achieve it in a short time only.
Yeah, that's what. No, I have around 15, 16 year
Yeah,
experience.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's I get to know by your words. So it's not. I can say it's not that much easy, but you can learn it easily. Simple
Okay.
configurations only.
Mm. Okay.
If you have
So,
development knowledge also, then it's more easier to understand the APIs also.
yeah, those things I know because I worked on multiple technologies, multiple domains, and the tools. I have around 16, 17 year experience, and yeah, I can grab it quickly. Yeah, it's even I could see that you have proof of experience in this tool. But
Yeah.
yeah, from where are you in India?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Oh, Hyderabad. Okay. I was from Bangalore. I was in Bangalore. Yeah. Okay, Murali. So in this, should I have my file tool access? Any trial version?
Trial version.
Hmm?
1 second. Let me try to access one server from my end. Allow me 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Mhm. The VPN password has reset. Okay, it will take time to again. You can ping me, or else after 30 minutes, I will do a quick restart and set the password and come back to you. Is that fine?
Murali, I have a call for another 1 hour. So till what time will be available?
I'm available, no problem. You can ping me at 10 o'clock also.
Okay, where I can ping you in the?
You can ask this HKR groups, they will give the details.
Okay. I'll ask now. Which otherwise here you cannot ping here your number. 8. I will find the chart. Yeah, here you can find the chart. No.
Yeah, we can open this chart and we can exchange here.
Yeah,
Murali, please don't share your contact or any of your details.
That's what.
Okay, then you can. What's your name? Sorry.
Anusha.
Anusha, I will connect after 1 hour. I want to connect with Murali after 1 hour. I will ping you.
Okay.
Just we can connect to you and Murali. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it okay, Murali?
Yeah, fine. You can ping me at now at 30, right? You can ping me.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Murali, are you available to connect after 1 hour?
Yeah. You can ping me.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Anusha.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, Murali, for your time. Yeah.